much for your patience. I appreciate this.
Inside the Multnomah County headquarters Thursday afternoon,
Thank you all for being here today.
County Chair Jessica Vega-Peterson announced her first emergency order since taking office back in January.
I am announcing an emergency order that will jumpstart our efforts to address our homelessness crisis and the incredible behavioral health needs on our streets.
This comes 2 weeks after county commissioners approved how to spend $62 million unspent dollars meant for homeless services. It's also on the precipice of Portland's daytime camping ban that's soon to be enforced.
And these investments have to be implemented in time to change what happens on our street when this ordinance goes into full effect.
Something day centers like Rosehaven are bracing for.
And I imagine that the daytime camping ban, once it's enforced, is only going to bring more people to our doorstep.
Because of that, and for the first time, Rosehaven, along with Blanchet House, will soon get money from the county so they can expand their services.
We're thrilled to be named as an agency. You know, I think a lot of times day shelters haven't gotten a lot of recognition or support in the cities.
They still don't know how much money they'll be getting, so we asked the county chair.
How much money will the day centers pointed out, like Rosehaven and Blanchet House, be getting?
So we have made a total investment of about $3.3 million for day services. The specific amounts for different organizations is yet to be determined.
I'm not exactly sure what that means for us yet, but we're really excited about what this might be able to help us with.
The county is now also spending $500,000 on a new day center in North Portland. Info on that is also limited.
I can't give you more details right now, but as soon as we have details for share, we will do that.
Portland's mass-sanctioned campsites will be getting the most money, $16 million, to build 2 more of them. The first is already open in Southeast. Money will also be going toward building a downtown Portland sobering center and a 24/7 stabilization center for people leaving detox.
And I will say that a stabilization center is more a part of a kind of a behavioral health network. A sobering is more of a crisis response kind of first responder place.
So it's not a place that first responders can just take someone who's, say, having a mental health crisis or just suffered an overdose. I mean, that's something that first responders have been calling for.
Yeah, no, a stabilization is different than that, but there's a recognition that we do need to have that.
All right, so clearly there are still some holes in this plan, but the county chair continues to stress that they need to get this money out quickly since they're required to spend it by the end of June. I also want to point out here that accountability will be a focus. Each organization that gets some of this money will be required to track it and then report that back to the county. David, Laurel.
Yeah, Blair, we always appreciate you asking the tough questions. Blair Best outside the county building there. Thank you.